Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix AutoCAD Object Snap not working using the easy method. This is a great way to wake up your magnetic alignment tools on your current setup session so your mouse pointer walks on the corners and endpoints perfectly while you draw. Step 1. Turn on the main Object Snap toggle switch. The first step is to check the master shortcut key on your keyboard to make sure the entire automatic alignment feature is fully awake and listening to your mouse movements. Move your hand over to your keyboard and press the F3 key once, or look down at the bottom row of small buttons on your screen and click the icon that looks like a small square with a tiny green dot on its corner. Watch the small typing row at the bottom of your screen to ensure it displays a confirmation note saying that the snap features are now switched to the on position. Because if the main master switch is accidentally clicked off, the software completely disables all alignment tracking. You have to activate this main power path so the program starts looking for line connections again. Without this step, your mouse will simply float across your drawings loosely without sticking to anything, no matter how close you zoom in. Step 2. Open up your Deep Adjustment menu and make sure the checkboxes for your favorite tracking targets like corners, midpoints, and centers are actually selected. Move your mouse pointer down to that same square icon at the bottom of your screen, click the tiny arrow sitting right next to it, and click on the words Object Snap Settings from the pop-up menu. Look at the big checklist inside the new box, click the button on the right side that says Select All to fill every single checkbox with a checkmark, and click the OK button at the bottom. Because even if the master switch is turned on, the tool can still fail if the individual target boxes are completely blank. By ensuring that corners, center dots, and endpoints are all selected simultaneously, you give the program permission to hunt for every kind of line feature. It ensures you don't miss a connection just because the software was told to ignore center points. Next, you need to type a quick tracking command into your bottom bar to tell the program how to handle grouped selections so it doesn't get confused when you hover near combined blocks or text boxes. Click inside the empty typing box at the very bottom of your workspace. Type the word OSNAPPOTIONS, press the Enter key on your keyboard, type the number 0, and hit the Enter key one more time. Check the bottom report row to confirm that the internal preference number has successfully updated and locked into the 0 setting. Because if this hidden setting gets shifted by a software update, the system will automatically ignore alignment points inside your grouped shapes or text boxes. By resetting this value back to 0, you clear out the blind spots inside the software's brain structure. It is the key step to getting the right output because it forces the green target boxes to appear on every single line, even if it belongs to a crowded background block. And that's it. To fix Object Snap or OSNAP not working in AutoCAD, you must first press F3 to turn on your master snap switch so the feature is awake. Then you click the bottom arrow to open settings and click Select All to check every target box like corners and midpoints. Next, you type OSNAPPOTIONS and set it to 0 to stop the system from ignoring grouped objects on your screen canvas. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.